In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link my Facebook artist page to Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives in Distrokid's upload form and how to enter your Facebook artist URL so your music is correctly associated on Facebook and Instagram. First, head over to Distrokid and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the My Music area or the dashboard you normally see after logging in. From there, click Upload Music. Even if you're just here to connect your Facebook page, this is the place where Distrokid collects your social links, so you'll use the upload form to make the connection. On the upload page, look for the section labeled Artist Band Name. If you already distribute under an existing artist profile, select that exact name from the list so everything stays consistent. If you're releasing under a new artist, type the exact artist or band name you want to use going forward. Keep spelling, capitalization, and spacing consistent with your profiles on streaming platforms to avoid creating duplicate artist pages. Next, scroll down the upload form until you find the Facebook field. This is typically grouped with other social media fields. Take a moment to locate it before moving on. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to scroll a bit more than expected. Now enter your Facebook profile artist URL. This should be the full URL of your official artist presence on Facebook. If you use a Facebook page, copy the page's URL from your browser and paste it here. If you're using a professional profile for your artist, paste that profile's public URL. Make sure it's public and accessible, and include the full link starting with HTTPS. Avoid mobile links, shortened links, or links to a personal private profile. Distrokid and Facebook rely on this URL to match your releases to the correct artist identity. Before you finish, complete the rest of the required release information on the page. Distrokid needs the standard details for a release, things like your track and cover art, so the form can be saved and submitted. Even if you're focused on the Facebook link today, filling out the necessary fields ensures your social link is attached to the release correctly. After you submit, Distrokid will use the Facebook URL you provided to help match your artist identity across platforms. It can take some time for the connection to reflect on Facebook and Instagram Music. If something looks off later, double check that you pasted the correct public URL for your artist and update it from your release page in My Music. That's it. You've linked your Facebook artist page through Distrokid's upload form, setting yourself up for accurate artist attribution on social platforms.